Bench testing a 1956 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch. Serial number BK04062025. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash light set to low to high. Test number 4, circuit breaker safety test. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery, we will boost the battery during the run-up test. Right now we're reporting 12.81 volts. Under boost, we're showing 13.60 volts. Also during the run-up test, we're going to monitor the rheostat temperature. Right now we're at 81 degrees ambient. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, we have our tail lights, parking light, and let's set the rheostat to low and off. Again, test number 1, first position, tail, parking, and dash lights set to low and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, tail lights, front parking. Second position, front parking lights are off, headlights come on. Back to first position, headlights off, front parking lights are on and off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position, we have our dash lights set in the low position, off, low. I'm going to monitor the rheostat temperature in the low position, which is the highest resistance. I'm gaining a little bit of rheostat temperature. Again, we're monitoring the outside of the rheostat, not the core position, which always runs a little higher. This demonstrates the insulation qualities of the rheostat. Go to mid-range. (87, 88 degrees Fahrenheit). Bright. And full bright. Back to mid-range. Second position, headlight position. Mid-range. Dim. Mid-range. Bright. Full bright. Take the first position. See, we're now at 94 degrees Fahrenheit. And off. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. The Delco Remedy headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker which connects the battery feed to the headlight switch. Demonstrate how this would work in the event of an overheat situation in the vehicle wiring. Put it in first position. Simulate expansion of the contact arm of the circuit breaker. And we see that the circuit between the battery and the switch is broken. Second position, headlight position. Simulate overheating of the wiring in the vehicle due to possible ground or bad ground or short. The arm expands and breaks the circuit back to the battery, protecting the switch and also the vehicle wiring. First position and off. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12 volt test light, we're going to demonstrate that the switch terminals are insulated from ground. Here at the switch chassis, we have continuity back to the battery. To show the insulating qualities of the switch body, we're going to probe the panel lights, dash lights, no continuity back to the battery. This is our battery feed, no continuity back to the battery. Headlight feed, no continuity back to the battery. Tail light, no continuity back to the battery. And parking lights, no continuity back to the battery. This would be our brake light feed. We see that's paired off with the battery feed. No continuity back to the battery. Only continuity back to the battery we have is at switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground.